Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, if you recall, the last thing we did was add our slab and our portal to our environment, to our new environment, the one we added our grass to. So that's what we're going to be picking up today. As you can see here, we have some new things going on from our top perspective with the wireframe. So let's see exactly what's going on with that. I'm going to change the perspective or the framing back to lit. I'm going to leave it on top so we can see exactly what's going on. So this is lit, and you probably still can't see. You see the indicators here on top of our pillars here. So we do have our pillars built, and we do have our cones, but we do have something extra going on. You can't see it from this perspective. So let's change it from the top back to our regular perspective and see if we can see exactly what's going on with these new features that I have going on and implement it. I can click on a button to move forward here. Here we go. Let's change that to perspective. As you can see here, we do have our pillars, our cones, and you can see we have some stuff happening on top of our cones here. So you can see it looks like it's animated. It's not stagnant. It is moving around. What could that be? Well, it's red and it's flickering, so there can only be one thing. Let's change the lighting back to lit from wireframe and see if we can see exactly what's going on. That's this here. And as you can see, we do have fire on top of our pillars here. So that's what we did. It's a new addition that we added. We added some ceremonial torches to the top of our cones here. The cones that are on top of our pillars. These are 6 high or 5 high, plus the cone here makes it 6, plus our fire. So that's something new I was playing around with just to make it seem more ceremonial and more lifelike. Let's actually change the perspective to the game view so you can see how it will look inside of the game or while the game is operating. Right now, this is just build mode. So we'll go over here, go to game view. We'll be able to click on that. And we'll be able to see that this is what it will look like inside of the game here. So we have our fire burning, we have our pillars built, we have our slab, and we have our portal. I still haven't figured out a way to actually transform this opening here into like a portal-like structure, maybe adding some water or some kind of cascading effect. I'm not sure how we're going to do that yet. But yeah, we do have our fire, we have our pillars, and we are moving right along. So I will keep on adding things, and I will keep on moving forward, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. And for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.